Welcome back to another Two Spanners tutorial. We're just going to show you how to remove this door handle on a Ford Focus. Tools you're going to need is a little flat bladed screwdriver and obviously a Torx 20. You want to open the door up, locate your little black cover and pop that off. So next you just want to pull your handle out, locate your screw and then undo, and then keep wiggling this little cover just here till it comes loose and out. So that should just pull out. Right, this one's got a wire on it, so you need to pull the handle towards you. And as you pull this out, this wire comes towards you. It's going to be a bit difficult to see. There's like a little locator on this side. You put your screwdriver in there, twist. There we go, all removed. To take these little rubbers off, just pull them off. That's a tutorial done on how to remove your door handle. Just reverse the process to put it back on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.